To print your Morgan Stanley e-signature process, follow these steps. First, log into your Morgan Stanley online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section where your e-signature documents are stored. Look for the specific document that requires your e-signature and click on it to open. Review the document carefully to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If the document is ready for signature, click the e-sign button to begin the signing process. You will be prompted to adopt a signature, create a new one, or use an existing signature. Choose the option that applies to you. After applying your e-signature, the document will be updated to reflect your signature. You can then print the signed document by clicking the print button. Alternatively, you can also save the document as a PDF and print it from your computer. To do this, click the Save as PDF button and select a location on your computer to save the file. Once saved, navigate to the location where you saved the PDF file and open it using a PDF reader. From the PDF reader, click the Print button to print the signed document. It is essential to verify that your printer is properly connected and configured before printing. Also, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to print the document, especially if you are using a shared computer or network. Best practices include regularly updating your printer drivers and using a secure internet connection when accessing your Morgan Stanley online account. By following these steps, you can successfully print your Morgan Stanley e-signature process.